Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Fashionphile coupon codes on 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser on your computer on or mobile phone, and then search for Fashionphile coupon codes on Google. So right here, scroll down a little bit until you will find this withrift.com website. So right here, you'll have to find the discount code that you would like to use. For example, this one right here, and select the copy code option. Or you can just simply tap on this offer, and the discount code will be copied. So after that, you'll have to insert that discount code on your purchase, and you'll get this 50% off your next purchase. And you can also go back to your Google search right here, and you can scroll down a little bit until you will be able to find this website. Just let me search for it a little bit. Okay, so is this one right here, simply codes. And as you can see right here, we have some discount codes that we can use. If you want to use, let's say this one right here, just select use code, and you can copy the discount code as well, and you can use it on your purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.